How to change page orientation in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the page orientation in Microsoft Word using your mobile device. First, launch open the Microsoft Word application on your device and log in. After you're in the home page of Microsoft Word, open up any document you want to edit. Once you're inside the document, go ahead and tap on the pencil icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Edit section. From the Edit section, scroll down in the Tool menu and tap the three dots. Now, click the Home drop-down and click on Layout. Under Layout, tap on Orientation and then you'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait means it shows you a vertical page, default for letters and reports. If you select Landscape, then your page will be in horizontal, better for tables and wide content. But in order to switch to Landscape mode, you'll need to subscribe to Microsoft Word Premium. Tap on the Landscape or Portrait option and you'll be asked to take the yearly or monthly subscription and start your 1-month free trial. Once you do that, you will be able to change page orientation on Microsoft Word. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.